Hello, this is Xavier for the little update about the voltmeter, just to have intermediate ticks with a different size. So I define here dial mid radius, which is the middle between inner radius and radius of the dial, taking into account, of course, the thickness of the radius here. Okay. I changed my approach for looping. I use a while loop. It gives more flexibility to use rational and floating point increments. I also changed here the color. I have a white color for the default, and all the main ticks I will change to red. So by default all the ticks are half ticks with a mid radius of the dial as a maximum range here, maximum radius I mean. And if we are on a main tick, which is defined by here the current angle modulo dial scale 0, then the tick and radius will be the big one, which is the dial radius, and the color will be red here. This is for the scale label here. As there doesn't really changes, I just change this, which is my variable that holds the M radius. And I think that's it. There's nothing else to explain here, so we can just launch it. Maybe launch it once again, and boom, as the master says. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, no, I can go to the maximum and to the minimum. Yes, okay. And if I change the precision here, I can ask for a precision of 2/10 and run it again. And boom again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, it works. Great. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you later. Bye.